Here we go. We have a Kubernetes 1.33 cluster with one control plane and one master node, and we are going to upgrade them right away. First of all, let's get into the control plane and let's check the kubeadm version. It is mostly 1.33, and then we will check the binaries of kubeadm, kubelet, and kubectl. So we have all the three. We will also check if these are managed by the package manager. Right now, it looks like they are not managed by the package manager, which means that these are directly copy pasted into this binary or into this image. So in order for us to upgrade, we have to set up the packages. So let me remove these three binaries. Okay. And then let's upgrade this control plane with the latest Debian packages. And then what I am trying to do is I'm installing some prerequisites that are required to install, and yeah, GPG is missing. So let me get apt-get install -y GPG. So once that is done, I can just do a curl. There you go. I will list all these steps in the comments. I will also show all the sources for this material so that you can check at a later point in time. So let me upgrade the official Kubernetes repository to the system, which is 1.34, as you can see here. And let's do an update again. So let's now install the latest packages that are required for us to start the upgrade process. I'm going with the latest version of kubelet, kubeadm, and kubectl. So one important question that you might also get asked in an interview is when you are doing things with kubeadm, will kubelet be included with that? No, it won't be. You should explicitly download and install it. There you go. I have kubeadm with 1.34. Now let's before before I can run the upgrade process, I should mark these three packages. This will make sure that these three packages that are being managed by apt are not auto upgraded, right? So this is a very important step. Now let's plan for the upgrade. Okay, I think you got this ready. Now let's upgrade to 1.34. Now this is the one that will take some time. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video here, and then I'll resume once the upgrade is done. There you go. Looks like this is upgraded. So let's get kubectl, get nodes. It still shows 33. So I might probably do a restart at kubelet. There you go. So you have 1.34 on the control plane. Now what I can do is I can do the same thing in the worker. And once this is done, we'll also install an application and see if this is working as expected. Okay, so hang around. So let's get into the worker. I will not take that much time now. So what I'm going to do is just you know, copy paste the entire steps that you already saw. So this might take some time, as I said. Once this is done, I'll get back and show you how the upgrade is done. Okay, so this is done. So I am marking these nodes so that these are not upgraded automatically. And I am also doing a kubectl upgrade node step. And I might also have to restart kubelet to get this thing up and running. Right. So kubectl get nodes. There you go. You have all the two nodes up and running with the latest cluster. So what I can do is I can go here, install an application and make sure it is working. Right. I'm just doing a deployment kubectl get bugs. So this is a single Nginx deployment. And I'm also setting up a service here. So once that's done, what we can do is let's do a con kubectl get svc. So this is the Nginx svc that we're talking about. Curl, it's working. So hope this is useful. Subscribe if you like it. See you next time. Bye.